In this tutorial, we're going to continue talking about the sketching and also going to talk about how to use the mouse. So in the previous tutorial, we created this fast 3D model or extrude, and now we're going to show how to use the mouse. So the mouse is the most used way to rotate, move, zoom in, out your part. So to rotate your part, just on the middle wheel, keep clicking on that and then rotate your mouse. You notice the icon of the mouse change to rotating mode. So the wheel, keep continue pressing on the wheel and move your mouse. To zoom in and out, also with the mouse wheel, we can roll up and down to zoom in and out. Also, you can use the keyboard arrows to rotate your parts. So now let's show you another thing. There is also view orientation for your part. Here, if you click, you will see the view or plane where you are able to choose your plane. So if you don't see this cube, so you can activate it with this view selector. If you don't want to see it, just deactivate it. So if you hover here, so you are able to choose how to view your part from top, plane, side, left, front, and so on. So here you can select how you're going to see your part. So these are important for the future modeling, so you are able to use that view or surface to make more sketching. And this rotate, and also you have an important icon, the normal to, so that is giving you the normal view. So for example, select this face, go to normal to, so now it's showing you the normal to view. So now again, let's get back to sketching, because sketching is important as a first step before start making 3D models. So here we have this extruded part, and if you expand it, you will see your first sketch here. So this extrude use that sketch, and again you are able to get back to your sketch and edit again. So if you click on it, here you see edit sketch. So it is not inserting a sketch, it is edit sketch. If you click on it, let's go to normal to. Now you see your original sketch. So you are able to change the dimension. Click OK and then exit as we learned before. So now you have the extrude already updated to your new sketch dimension. So let's again, if you select that face, we said also before, you are able to automatically change the dimensions. If you want to get back to the sketch, also you can select it or double click on it, select normal to, and as you notice that the features menu deactivated and the sketch is active, that you are in the sketch mode. So we're going to continue talking about the sketching. We already talked about dimensions and the line. In the next tutorial, we're going to talk about the rectangle. So we're going now in the next tutorial, you're talking about the sketching before start working with some feature.